Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can cure your boredom by playing Wordle game. So here you can open wordle.org in your browsers. So this is the Wordle game, guess the hidden word. So the rules are very simple. You have to guess the hidden word from 4 to 11 letters in 6 tries. To get started, just type any word on the first line. If the letter is guessed correctly and is in the correct place, it will be highlighted in green. If the letter is in the word but in the wrong place, in yellow. And if the letter is not in the word, it will remain gray. Can you guess the hidden word in the 6 tries? And this is the box. So you can guess by like this. You can type any word that come in from your mind. Let's start with a 5 word, and you can hit enter, and it turns out the yellow. So the yellow means here, if the letter is in the word but in the wrong place, in yellow. So here we got a D word here. So you need 6 tries in order to complete this game. So you have to obey the rules, and the rules is very simple. You have to guess the hidden word. And here you can play Wordle with various number of letters. For letter words 5 and up to 11, sorry. And also, of course you can play Wordle in different languages. By default is English, so you can try with another language here, Francais, Indonesian from Asia, Filipino, and so on. And if you get stuck, you can click to find the answer. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.